Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are in Brooklyn Park at North Hennepin Technical College for a little car show. And there's a wide variety of things here. We're going to dive right into it, but we're going to hit you with a fun little fact. Many years ago, when your boy was a lot younger, I attended some classes here, and we took on the graphic design and photography worlds at this place, and yeah, it was great. A lot of fun, good time, good part of my life, never forget it, and use a lot of that stuff to this day. But you guys know that routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, thumbs up, all that stuff. It is super helpful. It's very greatly appreciated. Check that out. Alright, we're gonna get right into it, so grab some popcorn and a drink and enjoy. right, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here today. It's a nice little turnout for a Friday at 5 p.m. Can't complain about that at all. Leave me some timestamps. Let me know what you guys liked, what you didn't like. If you saw anything that grabbed your noodle, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.